Since day one, our healthcare and long-term care personnel have been rising to the challenge, working long hours, put their own lives at risk to protect others from the threat of the virus. They rose to the challenge, and now it's our turn to give them support and the protection they deserve. These are people at the front lines of this pandemic who have worked tirelessly to protect residents and patients, and we must stand up for them. And I'm also here to introduce one of our major healthcare champions, fought tirelessly for liability protections for the state of Florida, especially as it relates to this pandemic and the growing challenges that we're facing. I'd like to introduce everyone to the CFO of the state of Florida, Jamie Petronas.
COVID-19 has changed everything. The world, if you look at back in January of 2020, it was amazing. When Florida's economy was white hot, we saw the sky was the limit. As COVID-19 set in, the world has changed everything. But our healthcare heroes, we didn't really understand how much we appreciate them, need them, until something like COVID-19 sets in. But if it wasn't for the Florida Hospital Association, the Florida Medical Association, the Safety Net Alliance, and also Florida Healthcare Association for bringing this together, allowing this opportunity to unite and make forward good policy sense. Thank y'all.
On behalf of the Florida Healthcare Association, I want to thank House Speaker Chris Sprowls and Senate President Wilton Simpson for their commitment to protecting healthcare heroes. And thank you, Senator Brandis, for your valiant leadership, for recognizing the incredible efforts of our long-term caregivers on the front line of this pandemic. We have thousands of hero stories just like Katoria's from our teams who put their own lives at risk and have still managed to come up with creative ways to protect and comfort our residents because they care. And let us not forget that with Florida's senior population growing, now is the time to strengthen our workforce and keep resources focused on those who rely on us today and well into the future. And yes, vaccines are giving us hope to recover from this awful pandemic. And we will. We definitely will, because it is who we are. We are heroes, we are caregivers, and we are the front line to care for our elders of our senior population in Florida.